Namaskar, you are again welcome in this class for class 10th. Subject is mathematics, and in the last class we were discussing trigonometric identities. Okay, in this chapter, first we have obtained three identities as known as trigonometric identities, given as first one is sine square theta and plus cos square theta, that is equal to 1, and second identity that can be given as 1 plus tan square theta, that is equal to sec square theta, and third trigonometric identity is 1 plus cot square theta, that is equal to cosec square theta. These three identities we have obtained earlier, and in the last class we have discussed about the value of any one trigonometric ratio in terms of another trigonometric ratios. Our topic was in the last class finding any one trigonometric ratio in terms of other trigonometric ratio. As I can say, in the last class we have founded the result of sin theta in terms of cos theta, tan theta, sec theta, cosec theta, cot theta, sec theta, and cosec theta. And second point, we have found the value of cos theta in terms of sin theta, tan theta, cot theta, sec theta, and cosec theta. And third condition is tan theta in terms of sin theta, cos theta, cot theta, sec theta, and cosec theta. Another one is cot theta in terms of sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, sec theta, and cosec theta. Next one is sec theta in terms of sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, and cosec theta. And next is cosec theta, that was obtained in terms of sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, and sec theta. Okay, what was our aim in this topic? Our aim was finding any one trigonometric ratio in terms of other trigonometric ratio. It means we have to find the value of sin theta, as in the question it is given that the value of cos theta is known. How we can say? Any example we can take, let cos theta is equal to 1 by 2, then sin theta will be. How we can obtain sin theta? If you know what is the value of theta, then you can directly substitute the value finding from this relation and you can substitute the value of theta in this relation. That is correct. But another thing, that if we don't know that what is the value of theta we can obtain from this relation, and what we have to substitute in this relation to find sin theta. And if we are unknown about this relation, then we have to find the relation of sin theta in terms of cos theta. Why? Because in the question cos theta's value is given. That's why we have to use the relation of sin theta and cos theta. As we can say, sin theta can be directly obtained from cos theta by given the relation of root of 1 minus cos square theta. That is the relation as we need in this type of question. That is our aim. How and why we have to find any relation in terms of other relation. And all these relations we have obtained from these identities. As you have to remember these three identities, and we have also discussed other remaining part of these identities separately. Okay, and after you have found the relation of any trigonometric ratio in terms of other trigonometric ratio, then you can directly make a table so that the way is very easy to remember. Okay, now I am going to make a table for these relations and you have to remember all the table, and as all the values of each and every trigonometric ratios that can be given in table. Okay, then our target in this class is to obtain the table for different trigonometric ratios. Okay, in this class we are going to find the table. How we can find? Table for table of relation among the trigonometric ratios. Okay, first you can see there are 6 trigonometric ratios we have, so that we have to make the table as okay, you can write down this at this side. writing sin theta, here I am writing cos theta, here I am writing tan theta, here cot theta, here sec theta, and here cosec theta. Okay, now this is the sin theta, this is the value for cos theta, this is the table for tan theta, and this is for cot theta, and this is for sec theta, and this is for cosec theta. Okay, here we can draw a line which is for sin theta, this line is for cos theta, and this line for tan theta, this line for cot theta, this for cosec theta. Okay, first we have to think that first what I am going to tell you. You can see here it is given as table of relation among the trigonometric ratios, as how we can find the any trigonometric ratio in terms of other trigonometric ratio. As you can see here, sin theta, we have to obtain sin theta in terms of sin theta, that can be given as sin theta because both are equal. In terms of sin theta in terms of cos theta, sin theta in terms of cos theta, that how we can obtain sin theta in terms of cos theta. As you can see, we can use this identity for finding the relation of sin theta in terms of cos theta, that can be given as 1 minus cos square theta, as we have discussed yesterday, na? The next we have to find sin theta in terms of tan theta, as how we can find the relation of sin theta in terms of tan theta, that can be given as 2 tan theta, that is divided by 1 plus tan square theta. You have to know. The next relation we have to find the sin theta in terms of cot theta, as we have to find the relation of sin theta in terms of cot theta, that can be here not to tan theta, here tan theta only. Again see, sin theta in terms of cos theta, that can be given as root of 1 minus cos square theta. Sin theta in terms of tan theta, that can be given as tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. In the next we have to find sin theta in terms of cot theta, that can be given as 1 upon root of 1 plus cot square theta, as you have to know. The next relation we have to find sin theta in terms of sec theta, that can be given as root of sec square theta minus 1, that is divided by sec theta, as you have to remember. Okay, in the next step, sin theta in terms of cosec theta, that can be given as 1 upon cosec theta. That is the direct value you have to remember. In the next table we have to find cos theta in terms of sin theta, that how we can obtain the value of cos theta by using the value of sin theta, as it can be given by root of 1 minus sin square theta. Here cos theta, that can be obtained in terms of cos theta, and that is given as cos theta. How? Because this cos theta and this cos theta is equal, that's why. Next relation we have to find cos theta in terms of tan theta, and that is given as 1 upon root of 1 plus tan square theta. Here we have to write down as given root of. Again we have to find root of. In the next step we have to find cos theta in terms of cot theta, and that is given as cot theta, and that is divided by root of 1 plus cot square theta. In the next relation, we have to find cos theta in terms of sec theta, and that can be given as 1 upon sec theta. In the next relation, we have to find cos theta in terms of cosec theta, and that is given as root of cosec square theta minus 1, that is divided by cosec theta. Again, we have to find the value of tan theta in terms of sin theta, the value of tan theta in terms of sin theta, and that can be given as sin theta, and that is divided by root of 1 minus sin square theta. Again, tan theta in terms of cos theta, and that is given as root of 1 minus cos square theta, and that is divided by cos theta. Next, tan theta obtained in terms of tan theta is tan theta, because though both are equal. Tan theta in terms of cot theta, and that is given as 1 upon cot theta. And the next, we have to find tan theta in terms of sec theta, and that is given as root of sec square theta minus 1. Tan theta in terms of sec theta, and that is given as root of sec square theta minus 1. Tan theta in terms of cosec theta, that can be given as 1 upon root of cosec square theta minus 1. Okay, and next we have to find cot theta in terms of sin theta, and that can be given as root of 1 minus sin square theta, that is divided by cos theta, cos upon sin theta. Next relation, we have to find cot theta in terms of cos theta, and that is given as cos theta, that is divided by root of 1 minus cos square theta. Next, cot theta in terms of tan theta, and that is given as 1 upon tan theta. Next relation, cot theta in terms of cot theta, that can be given as cot theta. Next relation, we have to find cot theta in terms of sec theta, and that can be given as 1 upon root of sec square theta minus 1. Next, we have to find in terms of cosec, and that can be given as cosec square theta minus 1. Again, we have to find sec theta in terms of sin theta, and that can be given as 1 upon root of 1 minus sin square theta. Again, sec theta in terms of cos theta, and that can be obtained as root of 1 upon cos theta. Again, the next part is sec theta in terms of tan theta, and that can be obtained as root of 1 plus tan square theta. Next part, sec theta in terms of cot theta, and that can be obtained as root of 1 plus cot square theta, and that is divided by cot theta. Next part, sec theta in terms of sec theta, and that is sec theta. Next part, sec theta in terms of cosec theta, and sec theta in terms of cosec theta is cosec theta, that is divided by root of cosec square theta minus 1. Next part, the remaining part, last part is cosec theta in terms of sin theta, and we have 1 upon sin theta. Next part, cosec theta in terms of cos theta, and that can be obtained as 1 upon root of 1 minus cos square theta. The next part, we have to find cosec theta in terms of tan theta, and that can be given as root of 1 plus tan square theta, and that is divided by tan theta. The next part, cosec theta in terms of cot theta, and that is given as root of 1 plus cot square theta. And the next part, we have to find cosec theta in terms of sec theta, and that can be given as sec theta, and that is divided by root of sec square theta minus 1. And cosec theta in terms of cosec theta, that can be given as cosec theta. Okay. All this table we have to remember as how we are finding these relations by using trigonometric identities. These three trigonometric identities are very important. As you can see, what is the importance of this table? As you can see, we are making a relation of any trigonometric ratio in terms of other trigonometric ratio. As you can see, for sin theta, we are going to find the value of sin theta in terms of cos theta, in terms of tan theta, in terms of cot theta, in terms of sec theta, and in terms of cosec theta, so that we can directly use this relation, any one of the relation in the question as it is provided, it is given to you for solve. As we can see in any question example, how we can use this table for finding the trigonometric ratios value for any value of any part. Okay, I'm going to give you an example as given. If there is tan theta is equal to 3 by 4, it is given as tan theta is equal to 3 by 4, and we have to find all the remaining trigonometric ratios by using tan theta is equal to 3 by 4. First we have to find sin theta. How we can find sin theta? By using the value of tan theta. As you can see in this table, the value of sin theta in terms of tan theta, it is given as sin theta is equal to tan theta, that is divided by root of 1 plus tan square theta. That we have to remember. And what is the value of sin theta? So tan theta, that is given, it is the value of tan theta is equal to 3 by 4. That's why we have 3 by 4, that is divided by root of 1 plus value of tan theta is 3 by 4, and we have the square of this value. Again in the next part, 3 by 4, that is divided by root of here 1 plus square of 3, that is 9, square of 4, that is 16. And we have to take the LCM of this part, and the LCM of this part is 16, and 16 is multiplied to 1, that is 16. 16 plus 9, that is 25. And what is the under root of 25? That is 5. It means we have 3 by 4, that is divided by 5 upon, and what is the under root of 16? That is 4. And you can see here 4 is cancelled by this 4, that's why we have 3 by 5. The value of sin theta is obtained 3 by 5 by using sin theta. In this, the same part, the same question, we have to find another relation for cos theta. As you can see, what is the value of cos theta? What is the value of cos theta? What is the value of cos theta in terms of tan theta? As you can see here, cos theta can be obtained in terms of tan theta by 1 upon root of 1 plus tan square theta. It means we have cos theta is equal to 1 upon root of 1 plus tan square theta, and you can substitute or you can put down the value of tan theta in this relation, and you can see here root of 1 plus again 9 upon 16, and that can you obtain 1 upon 5 upon 4, and 4 can be taken to numerator. That's why we have 4 that is divided by 5. That is the value for cos theta. Again, if we have to find next value, tan theta can be obtained in terms of tan theta, that is 3 by 4, no doubt. Again, the next relation, we have to find the value of cot theta. Which value? Cot theta in terms of tan theta. As you can see, cot theta can be obtained in terms of tan theta by 1 upon tan theta. The crossing point, you have to use the formula which is at the location of crossing point. As you can see, we have to find cos theta in terms of tan theta, then we have to cross both the lines, and the formula used as 1 upon 1 plus tan square theta. Here I am going to find the value of cot theta in terms of tan theta, then you have to use this line and this line. It means both are intersecting at this one. It means this formula is used. We have tan theta that is equal to 1 upon cot theta. Cot theta that is equal to 1 upon tan theta, and you can directly inverse, take opposite of this one, and we have 4 upon 3. The next relation we have to find which value? We have to find the next value as sec theta. Which value? Sec theta. Sec theta in terms of tan theta. As you can see here, sec theta can be obtained 1 plus tan square theta under root. How you can see sec theta that can be obtained in terms of tan theta, and that is given as root of 1 plus tan square theta, and that is given as root of 1 plus 9 upon 16, that is 5 upon 4. That is the value of sec theta. In the next condition, we have to find the relation for cosec theta in terms of tan theta. As you can see, cosec theta in terms of tan theta. Okay, see here, cosec theta in terms of tan theta, and that is given as this formula, as we can write 1 plus tan square theta, and that is divided by tan theta. Okay, we have to substitute the value of tan theta in this formula, and that's why we will obtain as 1 plus, what is the value of tan theta? As you can see, the value of tan theta is given, it is 3 by 4, and we have to make square of 3 by 4. That's why we have 9 upon 16, that is divided by the value of tan theta. It means we have 3 by 4. Again, you can see here we have to take LCM of this, and we have the LCM as 16, and 16 plus 9, that is 25. The under root 25 is 5, and that is divided by 4, and that is divided by 3 by 4. As you can see, 4 is cancelled by this 4, that's why we have 5 upon 3. That is the value of cosec theta in terms of tan theta. Today we have studied the relation of any trigonometric ratio in terms of other trigonometric ratio, and we have known that what is the importance of this table, as you can directly use the given formula in terms of other trigonometric ratio, so that it is very easy to solve the given part. You can obtain directly the value of any trigonometric ratio. So first you can see in this table, if you have known about the value of sin theta, then you can directly know about the value of cosec theta. How? Because you know sin theta is the opposite of cosec theta. How? See here sin theta in terms of sin theta, that is sin theta, and cosec theta in terms of sin theta, that we can take opposite of. That means we have 1 upon sin theta. Again you can see here sin theta in terms of cos theta, that is given as root of 1 minus cos square theta, and you can obtain cosec theta in terms of cos theta, that you have to make opposite of this one. It means we have 1 upon root of 1 minus cos square theta. Again you can see sin theta in terms of tan theta, then cosec theta in terms of tan theta, and you can see here the relation. What is the relation? Here the obtained part is the opposite of this part. As you know, sin theta and cosec theta are opposite trigonometric ratios for each other. Next part, sin theta in terms of cot theta, and that you can obtain 1 upon root of 1 plus tan cot square theta, and you can see cosec theta in terms of cot theta, that is obtained as root of 1 plus cot square theta. Again you can see sin theta in terms of sec theta, that is given as root of sec square theta minus 1, that is divided by sec theta. And here again you can see cosec theta in terms of sec theta, that is given as the opposite of this function. Again cosec theta in terms of Sin theta in terms of cosec theta, that is 1 upon cosec theta, and cosec theta in terms of cosec theta, that is cosec theta, as you can directly obtain. As you have to know about the value of sin theta, the value of cos theta, the value of tan theta. Again, remaining three parts you can obtain directly by taking opposite of their opposite function respectively. It means if you have to find the value of cot theta, then you have to take the opposite of tan theta. As you can see, the relation is given in the table. Okay, so this is very important table. You have to remember the relation of each trigonometric ratios, and the remaining part we will discuss tomorrow. Okay, thank you.